Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unpack RAR and zip files using app called Rar on your OnePlus 10 Pro. So in order to do that, we'll need to locate our RAR or zip file, and mine is located in DCIM, camera and picture.rar. Now open the file that you want to unpack, but keep in mind that some of them are protected by password like this one, and here we'll need to type in the password. And now press OK and you will see 3 files. Now to unpack it, just press on this arrow pointing up and you'll be able to unpack the file. You can enable ask before overwrite, change it to overwrite without prompt, or skip existing files. So let's just do it like that. You can keep broken files or do not extract paths. I'm just gonna keep everything default here and press OK when it's ready. And as you can see, the files were extracted. You can also change the path like this. Press browse and here you will be able to select the path where the file will be extracted. Let's pick movies, press OK and go back, select movies again, and you can see the 3 files again right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.